So I want to talk about something real quick here. People keep asking, Messi, why did you move to Lagos? How are you surviving in Lagos? That is crazy. Please tell me about it. So at first when I came to Lagos, the soft girl that I am, hello. So I was just jumping boat from boat to boat. I didn't want to jump the bus because I felt like people that were entering the bus were the ones suffering. Yes, that was how I felt. I felt like if I enter the bus, I'm suffering. So when I saw that the boat fee wasn't funny, like the boat fee here in Lagos bar is more expensive than the one in Abuja. When I was in Abuja, I could go anywhere I wanted to with boat and I wouldn't even like think about the price or anything. But here in Lagos, I don't know how they did it. But the boat fee is very high. Oh. I was asking myself, why is it so high? You can't even get a ride of 1,000. You can't get a ride of 1,500. Even the shortest distance, 2,003, 2,005. Where am I going to? So I was like, okay. When I saw that, I could not cope with the soft get boat to boat ride again. I told myself, okay, let me try entering. Let me try entering the bus. So the day I entered the bus the first day, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. And it was the yellow ones I entered. Oh. Was it the yellow ones? No, those very, they call them kuruke. Abi kuruke. That's what they That's what they call them here. So I entered and I felt okay, maybe it's because it's a small bus. Like everybody, before you even enter the bus, people are pushing themselves. I'm like, what's going on here? Are they fighting? They're seriously pushing themselves to enter a car. Oh Lord. And I stood. That day I stood for a very long time just because I couldn't push. Don't push me. Oh. If you push me, I will fall down. I couldn't push. And I didn't want anybody touching me by mistake because so I was like, okay, let me just patiently wait, the soft girl. Let me just patiently wait. So that's how I said I'll patiently wait. Oh Lord, I stood for hours waiting for the God sent bus to come and meet me. I'll just imagine that maybe somebody will just say, hey, fine girl, okay, where are you going to? Let's stop bus. These people, they don't care. Everybody in Lagos, they don't care. Huh? Getting a bus in Lagos is like you trying to, how do I put it? Was like war. You must fight. You must. If somebody doesn't push you, you push somebody. That's how I've always seen it. And I'm like, how do people manage to cope here? Okay, that's just for going on. And when you're coming back from work, you now stand at law school. Oh, there was one day, myself and my colleague, we stood at law school from 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. We did not get any bus to our destination. We stood and stood and stood and stood. She had to leave me to sit down. For me, I was like, "Ah." And when we finally got the bus gone, should I call it a bus? All those engines, all those machines that used to bring out big, big, plenty, plenty black smoke. Just because we wanted to go home, we entered this bus. And the price was now low. And we're wondering, everybody's all low price. They did not know that they reduced the price for a reason. Normally, we enter 500, but this one they were carrying 300. Everybody rushed the car. Only for us to enter, the bus was feeding us with smoke. We were eating black smoke inside the car. Nobody could talk. Sure, you want cheap car. You have entered and you're eating smoke. Oh my god. Stay tuned for my next episode of Life in Lagos.